robot home screen, go to the menu in the right, choose Settings. From there, you're going to choose the Password drop-down and choose Mode. Now you'll go to the New Password field, enter your password. Remember to keep this secure and someplace where you know where it's at so you don't forget it. And then confirm the password in the second field so that you ensure that you type the same thing twice. From there, apply the changes. Now you'll notice that it's gone to manual mode instead of just being blank. So when you exit, you can click where it says manual and that will take you to the automatic mode. This will lock out things like being able to program or edit the installation file. You can then go back into manual mode simply by clicking on the automatic, using manual, and then entering the password that you entered before. And that's all it takes to secure your UR robot for operation.